Alright, this is the STL overview for the foregrips. Not a lot to do here. Again, vertical cells should be either 2 or 3, and horizontal cells should be either 4 or 6. And just make sure that these lines run parallel to the device that you're printing. So if you're printing it horizontally, go and set the fill angle to 90. If you're printing it vertically, go and set the fill angle to 0. You shouldn't have to use any kind of support, and you want either 10, 15, or 20% infill. You generally shouldn't have to use anything more than 10. Most of your strength is going to be determined by whether you have 2 or 3 perimeters, and so only really use more infill if you absolutely need to get it to print correctly. Again, no support. Let's load up some of the other ones and take a look at them. So this is the longer version of the standard foregrip. It's the same size of foregrip, just that this underside extends a little bit more. And then we have the 2 extended foregrips which link into the understructure. That is what all these mounting holes are for. So these 2 actually fit together to form kind of a U shape that you can grab onto either one as a foregrip. And if you look here, these do have these extra support pieces just to make sure that they print correctly. These generally aren't needed, but they don't really hurt.